Destiny.
Ganda ng house nila.
Yan yung mansion ko eh.
Ay, yan yung house mo? Kayo mo pa gagaya?
Biblend ko na lang.
Tsaka kaya pala ang ganda ng mga house mo eh. Gagaya mo.
Si Ayla, yan yung toddler.
Was 3:30 and you need to hurry up and come on. Mom, I'm so tired right now. We're supposed to get up at 3 o'clock. I'm still so tired. Destiny, I don't really care if you're tired or if you're not tired. But I'm
Kunyari lang yung train yung airplane.